Alright guys, this is my 44-inch or 52-inch, I don't know what size this is, but this is a Hunter Balboa ceiling fan. And it looks like a Hunter Coastal Breeze because of the vent in the blade tips. So that's just another name for it, the Coastal Breeze. So yeah, the light. These shades are original and these ones are not. So it came before these flower blue shades here. But I decided to leave two of them on here and change the other two. Seems pretty cool. Okay. Okay, time forward, so good. Let's do low. And it came with the sound rod, but the canopy is now original. And I believe the fan came with no mount bracket. So, yeah. That's why I decided to change the canopy. Blowing some air on low, I guess. And the blades are original, except I painted them like a greenish blue color, turquoise. So that's what the paint on the blades look like. That's what color the blades are now. Take it to medium. I might be able to do reverse this time, we'll have to see. Or maybe I'll do a separate video with this on reverse. Okay. Here's high. Goes extreme fast, like Casablancas I have. It goes that fast, so I'm assuming it has a good capacitor in it. The light. Then down. You lay on and just look down from here. And yeah, unfortunately I don't have the Hawkins or the Armitage anymore. I mean, I don't have the motors anymore, but I just have the blade. Yeah, so I might draw the original blade for the Armitage and the Hawkins shuffle. Turn the light off. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.